cam tour. Cam tour.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
We're in Mahogany Bay. I guess walk through this duty-free store every single time we land anywhere. But today is pretty much a swimming day, so it'll be fun. We brought our snorkeling gear and 15 of our family members. Let's go.
We're on the cam tour. Cam tour.
We're heading out. Knee is relaxing. We're going into the water. It's sunny. Say hi, Moo. Hi. Going snorkeling.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
We're going snorkeling.
It's not for me to say.
Okay, so quick story time about this snorkeling adventure. I actually thought I was gonna die. What had happened was I swam out a little bit to see the reef, and when I swam out, I had got sucked into like the current or tidal wave or whatever it's called, and I got pushed out pretty far. And I got pushed out past like the swimming sign and like the barriers that they give you. And I didn't know until I like looked up and I was like, oh crap, I'm far. And I see the lifeguard kind of like get out of his seat and look at me. And I'm like, oh my God, I don't see any of my family members. I'm so far. And I begin to freak out. And water is like going against me as well as I'm being pushed out further and further. So freaking out all over the place. And my gear gets water in it. I'm just like panicking a little bit. And I'm just literally thinking, oh my God, I'm gonna die. And I'm like so scared. I've never felt that way snorkeling at all. I've always kind of been confident just jumping in the water and doing my thing. But luckily I had gone snorkeling before and I knew that it was like all a mental game. So I told myself, it's gonna be okay. Relax. It's gonna be fine. You're not gonna die. And I literally just started floating. I like turned on my back, just started floating. I was still getting pushed out, but I was just floating because I knew that I was exerting so much energy by like panicking and trying to swim against the current. From there, I started floating and then just trying to get my gear back on my head and getting all the water out. Once I was like set and ready to go, I then turned my head towards the deck and started swimming backwards where I could literally just float and swim back. And so I wasn't really exerting too much energy. And then once I felt myself out of the current, I turned around and started swimming as fast as I could towards the deck. And I just immediately got out of the water. I never went back in to snorkel again because I was so scared that that was going to happen. It was literally such a traumatic experience. You really do have to be an excellent swimmer to go out there and snorkel in free water, because if anything like that were to happen, you just, one, have to know how to get yourself out of that situation, and then two, have the energy to swim to get to where you need to get to. So it was crazy scary, and I've never felt like I was gonna die ever when I snorkeled. Literally snorkeling is a more relaxed situation, and this snorkeling trip, I literally thought I was gonna die. So I'm a little bit traumatized, and I don't know if I will snorkel again out in the open ocean again. Sometimes I'll just like have flashes of that day and how I felt, and I literally felt like I was dying. You don't see it in the clips, but that's what happened. Anyways, back to the vlog. Look at my little slackers.
You waited?
Tonight's dinner is at Fahrenheit 444. Nope, 555. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Look at this cute little table. My eating partner is Jimai. Jimai, say hi.
How are you? Hi, everybody. We have fun, a lot of fun with the kids.
And then on the other side we have Leland, my cousin Min, and Sam.
Say wait.
Very pretty. Very nice. Wow. Oyster stuffed mushroom. Jimai got this really cool looking oyster and it's coming. Wow. Jimai, I'm recording you.
Oh, you left.
Jimai is eating the raw oyster for the first time.
It's not for the first time.
Oh.
This type of
Jimai's seafoam oyster. Yo.
Yo.
kind of tart. I still got lemon in there.
Straight from the ocean. Tuna tartare. After you eat this tuna tartare, here, take a shot of this avocado thingy, and then cleanse your palate. Wow. Look at that. Little eggs nest.
Cảm ơn ngày vui tiền.
My bird's nest. My bird. My bird is falling. This is the tuna tartare. That's really good. Try it. Avocado shot.
Cái dưới cái vỏ no. You know, like it's a shot
Tastes
to
like
clean your palate.
a cup of cilantro. Cup of cilantro. You don't want to
No,
try
okay,
it.
go ahead, Carter. Anh đi đến hôm nay, anh đã uống nước lạnh đi hạt rồi lại uống nước lạnh cắm voi.
Classic pork belly. This is our lobster bisque, and she's going to pour it into the bowl.
Ready? Here we go. Lobster bisque with the cultured butter. Dry
Ooh.
Like mango super.
Loại nước hung
Thank you.
Are you here?
trong cái bên.
Lobster bisque with the cultured butter. Dry sugar.
It's got this thing with this one.
Oops, I stole your spoon.
It's okay. Got that?
Ooh.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, the food is all here. Lots of lobster, meats, ribeyes, lobsters, filet mignons. Wow, look at this big potato. Sorry. Whoa! What menu did you guys order from? It's onion rings.
It's on there on the side.
Wow. This table, no food yet. They did not feed the diamonds yet. That's messed up. Yeah, that's messed up. This is the surf and turf, lobster, mashed potatoes, some butter, carrots, and filet mignon. Do you like it in Sam? Good?
Fresh one isn't really the same as this. It's like a smaller tail,
Right.
and they is it?
Right. And salt.
Ăn được chọc mới ra.
Let's try the lobster.
No, that one you see him on already.
Lobster is good. Look at this.
Ready? You not do it?
Okay, go ahead.
Chocolate spear with a dark chocolate blue.
Hôm nay em về khỏi gì nè.
That is so cool. Wow, look at this fresh fruits. And this is gelato. Raspberry, and the other one is an orange. Something. I don't remember what.
It's got a good flavor.
It is strong though.
It's strong.
It's strong. Interesting. It is orange. There's a hint of orange in it.